Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit. Today I'm going to start a new playlist for statistics. Today in this particular video I'm going to give a brief introduction to statistics in which I'm going to cover the following topics. First I'm going to cover what is statistics, what are the different types of statistics, what is data and how data is divided or categorized into different types, and how do we collect the data and what are the different types of uh, data collection. Now first, what is statistics? Statistics is a process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting the data is known as statistics. So, statistics is a process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting the data is called as statistics. Based on the definition above, statistics is classified into two different types. One is descriptive statistics and another one is inferential statistics. What do we mean by descriptive statistics? As the name suggests, descriptive statistics is one type of statistics in which we describe the data, or like how the data is distributed, what is its average value, what is the variance, etc. Inferential statistics. In inferential statistics, as the name suggests, we make conclusions or infer from the data is called as inferential statistics. Now, based on these two types of statistics, what are the different topics I'm going to cover under descriptive statistics, and what are the different topics that I'm going to cover under inferential statistics? Descriptive. 1. Measures of central tendency. Second, measures of dispersion. Third, measures of position. Now, under inferential statistics, the topics which I'm going to cover are: 1. Sampling. Second, central limit theorem. And after covering sampling, I'm also going to cover the different types of sampling. Fourth, hypothesis testing. Fifth, correlation. Sixth, regression. These are the different topics which I'm going to cover under inferential statistics. Now, what is data? Data is nothing but it is a collection of facts which has no meaning. Why are we telling that the data has no meaning? Why are the why is data having no meaning? Because whenever we collect the data may have data quality issues, like it may have missing values, it may have outliers, etc. But in order to make it meaningful, what we can do is we have to first process the data. Once after processing the data, we get information out of it. That is, we also call it as insights in data science language. Insights out of it, which is completely meaningful. Now, this data is classified into two different types. One is qualitative data, and another one is quantitative data. What is qualitative data? What is quantitative data? Qualitative data is a type of data which cannot be measured. Quantitative data is the data which can be measured. Example, gender is the type of qualitative data, and age of a person is nothing but a quantitative data. This qualitative and quantitative data is again classified into two types. One is nominal and another one is ordinal. But and the quantitative data is again categorized into two types. One is continuous and another one is discrete. Now, what is nominal data? Nominal data is a type of qualitative data which has name only, as in it does not have, sorry, it does not have any specific order. Ordinal, as the name suggests, this is ordered. Examples for nominal: name of a person is nothing but example of nominal data. Example for ordinal is nothing but review or rating of a restaurant is nothing but ordinal. Now, next coming to continuous. Continuous data is a type of quantitative data which can take on any value is called as continuous data. Discrete. Discrete data is another kind of quantitative data which cannot take on any value and are finite. Is nothing but discrete data. Now, but in order to perform any statistical analysis, we need to have data. In order to have data, we need to collect the data. So how are we going to collect the data? So data collection is categorized into two different types. One is primary data collection and another one is secondary data collection. What do we mean by primary data collection? Primary data collection is nothing but the data which is being collected by the researcher himself. By the researcher himself. Secondary data, sorry, secondary data is the data which is readily available. Readily available. Next, the data which is being collected by the researcher will be accurate and clear. But the data which is being collected from the uh, third party sources or which is readily available, then in that case it will not be accurate and not be it will also not be clear. What are the examples of primary data collection? Now, primary data collection as in review or ratings of a restaurant. Why it is called as primary data collection? Why? Because whenever we go to a restaurant, the owner of the restaurant or the person who is managing the particular restaurant will be collecting the ratings or the reviews of that particular restaurant, because he based on the reviews and the ratings he will be changing the type of the changing the service that is which will be given to the customers. But in order to but if we want to perform some analysis on the efficacy rate of COVID-19 vaccines, then if we collect the data from the hospitals or any healthcare center, then that is nothing but the data the data which we are collecting is completely readily available. That is secondary data collection. So data collected from hospitals to perform some analysis on COVID vaccine rate efficacy is nothing but secondary data collection. So in this particular video I have covered what is statistics, what are the different types of statistics, uh, in each type of statistics what are the topics that I am going to cover, what is data, once after processing we get information which is meaningful, and what are the different types of data and how it is categorized, and what are the different ways in which we can collect the data. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed and hit the bell icon for more notifications and videos, and I will be coming up with more videos for statistics, and I'll also cover the practical implementation of this things in Python. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.